Hi, I'm Mike Nelson, founder and owner of Carolina In-Home Flooring and Design Center. Thank you for allowing us into your home today. Our philosophy is that by meeting customers in their homes, we're able to enhance the product selection process using each home's natural lighting and existing home interiors. We also want to make the process convenient for customers because we know how busy you are. So what can you expect from our visit today? First and foremost, we want to build a relationship with you, and we'll begin doing that by discussing your flooring needs and desires. We'll talk about your existing floors and how changing from one flooring type to another may impact your subfloors. We'll show you flooring samples that match your wants and needs, and we'll also introduce you to online design tools if you're interested. We'll explain the available product and labor warranties to you, and we'll share the manufacturer recommendations on how to care for your products. To complete a proposal for you, we'll take accurate measurements of the areas needed flooring. We'll factor in moving furniture, fixture and appliances, as well as removing and discarding of existing flooring. Within 1 to 2 days of your home visit, you'll receive a proposal via DocuSign. Simply review, sign, and submit your 50% deposit, all securely online. Typically, we'll order your materials within 24 to 48 hours. At that time, we'll call you to schedule a convenient date and time for installation. Generally, our goal is to complete your project within 3 weeks, if not sooner. Final payment is due once you're completely satisfied with our work. Please let us know if you have any questions, and if you're curious to know what to expect from the installation process, ask our sales team member. He'll help you understand what's next to ensure you feel connected to your home improvement process. Thanks again, we're looking forward to serving you.